And your replay brought to you by Santa Ana Park.
Saksyon Pato.
Gates up and they're off. Oh, French Vanilla almost took a spill at the start of the race, but she's okay now. The stablemate Aloha moving upon the outside. French Vanilla is running by the rail. And in third we have Wind Beneath My Wings alongside Speed Sense. A Lovable Princess, then followed by High Tower. Laika in Manila second last, while Security World is the early trailer doing 16 on the opening quarter as they will down the back. French Vanilla almost stumbled at the start, now leads by 2. Aloha in second, and in third Wind Beneath My Wings. A length back in fourth comes Speed Sense. A Lovable Princess still in fifth. High Tower, Security World, and Laika in Manila now win behind them with a strong 24 on the second quarter. Inside the last 600, French Vanilla by about 2 lengths, followed now by Wind Beneath My Wings. Aloha in third, then moving up and coming into the race to his High Tower. A Lovable Princess and Security World now coming into the picture, saving ground. 3:50 to travel, and it's still French Vanilla doing 25 on the third quarter. French Vanilla by about 2 lengths, and on the outside High Tower, Wind Beneath My Wings and Security World, and it's still French Vanilla, Security World and High Tower, and finally it's French Vanilla, High Tower, Security World, Wind Beneath My Wings, Aloha, Lovable Princess.
Minsan na naman pinatunayan ni Jonathan Aerocul Hernandez na pagka-deboka ang dala niya, mahirapan na kayong habulin.
1,311 winner style sa first pick 6. Naiwan dyan sa winner take all, 6,090 pesos na lang first set.
Maganda. At ito ang ginawang preba. Tingnan natin. Sa 1450, 1 minute 33 seconds with quarters of 16, 24, 25, 28. Yan po ang preba ni French Vanilla.
133 for the 1450.